Hello and welcome to Swadhyay. Let's learn.
You are watching my 4-year-old kid Dishant's regular cursive writing practice. If you want your child to write in cursive like this, watch the full video to know the tips and tricks to teach your child easily. First thing, take a 4-rule book to practice writing. Don't take a plain paper because you need to learn where to start, where to end, and where to curve. Only after a good practice you can write well on a plain paper as well. Now we will start with capital cursive letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the capital letters. Different books show different ways of cursive writing. I don't think there is a hard and fast rule of writing capital cursive letters. Moving on to lowercase letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. For most of the alphabets, you will observe they start with a slanting line and end with a slight curve. You can't avoid them because it helps while writing words. I'll show you a few two-letter words.
Now let us quickly check the steps to follow to learn cursive handwriting. Generally, before learning to write alphabets, we practice some basic strokes. Similarly, we have to practice curves here. So, the first important thing is practice curves. So what are these curves? Let's see the different curves we need to practice. So this is the first one. The second one is the third one is, and the fourth one is the reverse of this. The next one is, and the next one is, okay. So these are some of the curves you need to practice before you start practicing cursive alphabets. The next step is practice on a slate. Practice on a slate till your child is able to remember the letter. So this is an optional one, and it is specifically for kids who are just 3 to 4 years old. If your child is more than 4 years old, then you don't have to practice on slate. Once your child is able to remember the letter, you can go further practicing in a 4-rule book. Your kid has to practice in a 4-rule book till he is perfect. Depending on age, they will take time to learn. If they are just 3 to 4 years old and just started writing, it's fine, they will take some time, but soon they will learn. And the next and the last step is try writing 2-letter words and 3-letter words. So all you have to do is keep practicing, keep writing more and more in cursive so that your handwriting becomes very neat and clean. Lastly, I would like to add one more point, that is cursive writing practice books. Please don't buy any such kind of cursive writing books. It is always better that you buy some 4-rule books and practice in each book, because anyways these are not sufficient for you to write. Your child will not learn cursive handwriting by just writing one sheet of such kind of books. So it is just waste of money. So please don't go for buying such kind of practice books. Rather, you can take some 4-rule books and you can make your child practice in these, because they will have to write a lot in order to improve their handwriting. Hope this video will help you all in teaching your kids cursive handwriting. If you like this video, subscribe, like and share Swadhyay. Let's learn. Press the bell icon and stay connected with us. Get notified about all new videos on Swadhyay. Thank you.